Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to send friends link on Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get. First, you need to launch the Monopoly Go app on your device. If you don't have it installed, then make sure to install it. This game is very fun. You can compete with other people, you can take their maps, you can also compete in heists and make other people bankrupt, so it's really fun. And you can do so by clicking on the Go button, and to access the Friends section, you can tap on the Friends button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can see that it's next to the Album button as well. And once you click it in the Friends Family tab, click on Add Friends, and then you can go to Invites. Then you can invite people by copying your personal Monopoly Go link. I would suggest this method, but if you want to connect your Facebook, that's also fine. You can then post it on social media, send it via messaging apps, or share it directly with anyone you'd like. Remember, you'll only receive rewards when someone downloads the game through your link. So share the link, get some rewards, and enjoy the game. And I will see you on the next video. I hope this is very helpful. Thanks for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more.